Good morning to everyone. This is my first online video recording class. This is bridge course PPT for first year student. The topic is trigonometric ratios and standard angles. Okay. All of you already studied trigonometry in SSLC only. That is I think three chapters. One is trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios, and trigonometric functions of standard angle is also completed in SSLC only, and angle conversion radian measure, it is also completed in SSLC. Now here in a diploma we start with the trigonometry fourth chapter allied angles. Before going to start the actual syllabus of engineering mathematics, first we are going to recapitulate whatever we studied in our lower classes in SSLC 9th standard 8th standard. Among them the first topic is I chosen here trigonometric ratios and standard angles. Trigonometric ratios and standard angles. Myself Ramchandra Sutar, lecturer in science department, Government Polytechnic Raichur. Okay, now we start with this chapter and I have prepared some PPTs. I will explain one by one in detail. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ, already we know what is Pythagoras theorem. Yes, it is defined for a right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem is nothing but what? Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of other two sides. In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of other two sides. In this diagram, in a right angle triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. Here how we say that this one is hypotenuse and this one is opposite? Here we have to remember the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse side. The side which is opposite to theta required angle is called opposite side, and the side which is adjoining to both the angle 90 degree as well as theta is called adjacent side. This side is also called as a base anta kuda heltivi. This side is also called as a base side kuda heltivi. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Here trigonometry is defined for only Pythagoras theorem only. Already ನೀವು ಓದಿದ್ರ what is trigonometry ಅಂತೇಳಿ. I don't want to again repeat it. ಹೇಳಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳೋಣ. What is the trigonometry? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of relation between angles and sides of a right angle triangle. Angles and sides of a right angle triangle. I have taken some problems, simple problems on Pythagoras theorem. Here ABC is a right angle triangle and I have given the length of side AB is 6 cm, BC side is 4 cm, X is unknown. That only we are going to calculate using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem is given by AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB length is given 6 cm, BC length is given 4 cm, and AC is X unknown. X square equal to 6 square plus 4 square. The square of 6 is 36. The square of 4 is 16. 36 plus 16 52. X is equal to plus or minus under root 52 ತಗೋಬೋದು, or only we take positive sign. X is equal to under root 52. Okay, next again the same problem. Solve for X, that is adjacent side is opposite ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ 4, ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 5 centimeter, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್. ಬೈ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 5 square, ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ 4 square ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 9, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. Consider another problem. Trigonometric ratios. I have given here trigonometric ratios. Okay. Totally 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Spelling mistake ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. COSI ಅಲ್ಲ, SEC. cosec theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Right? Trigonometric functions definition. Ratio of two sides. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪಾಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪಾಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 functions, remaining 3 are the reciprocal of above 3 functions. How? Cot theta is exactly reciprocal definition of tan theta. Yes, cot theta adjacent side divided by opposite. Second, it is a reciprocal function of cos theta, hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. And cosec theta, it is a reciprocal function of sin theta, reverse of sin, hypotenuse side divided by opposite side. Illi corner daga I have given some hint to remember the definition of trigonometric functions. That is, I wrote here OAH divide by reverse, divide by reverse HHAO. See here, O by H, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse sin theta, adjacent by hypotenuse cos theta. O by A, opposite by adjacent tan theta. Like that, all 6 trigonometric functions will be easily we will got. Remember, to remember definition ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ರೈಟ್, ದೀಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತವೆ ಇನ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. sin theta, tan theta. If sin theta value is given 4 by 5, then find the value of tan theta and sec theta ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿವಿ. ಓಕೆ, simple. By the definition of sin theta is given 4 by 5. Here 4 is the opposite side, 5 is the hypotenuse side. 4 opposite, 5 is the hypotenuse side, and third side is we don't know. First, using Pythagoras theorem, first find it. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? ಬಿ ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ 5, ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ 4, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, bc square. So bc square equal to 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. bc is equal to root 9. So the value of root 9 is 3. After getting that side, which side that one? Theta opposite is opposite side, 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse side, and 3 is the adjacent side. Sin theta definition, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent side, opposite is 4, adjacent is 3, 4 by 5. Secant theta, hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side is the definition. Here hypotenuse side is 5, hypotenuse side is 5, adjacent side is 3. Okay, go to the next slide. Similar, same example is I have given here. Tan theta is 5 by 12, then find the value of sin theta plus sec theta is asked. Same, tan theta definition, opposite divided by adjacent, opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. So find here hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, ella same. Here AB is 5, BC is 12, 5 square plus 12 square, 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, it is total 169. AC is equal to under root 169, AC is equal to 13. Okay, after getting that hypotenuse, tan theta 5 by 12, sin theta 5 by 13, secant theta 13 by 12. Now we required sin theta plus sec theta. Sin theta is 5 by 13 plus secant theta is 13 by 12. 13 into 12 LCM, 13 12s are 156. So 156 is the LCM. So totally 229 divided by 156 is the required answer. Okay. Reciprocal relation. Already I have told in definition only reciprocal relation though. Yes. Sin theta cosec theta is equal to 1, or sin theta is a reciprocal function of cosec, cosec is a reciprocal function of sin. Okay, how? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. This is the first reciprocal relation. The second reciprocal relation, tan theta is 1 by cos theta is 1 by sec theta is 1 by cos theta, and their product cos theta into sec theta is 1. Okay, and the third reciprocal relation, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, tan theta is 1 by cot theta is 1 by tan theta, interrelation between the functions, right? Next, identities, trigonometric identities. Here also basically we have a 3 identities. Again we will expand 3 into 9 by use of our problems. Okay. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Proof is not necessary. So illen bracket ne hakinalla adanna nodi. Sin theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. These three are the very important formula for the simplification of higher problems, right? The second identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the second trigonometric identity. Okay. Third identity here, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the third identity. Okay. Unit and measurement of angles. There are three systems are there. Measurement of angles. There are three system of measurement of angles are there. Sexagesimal system. This is also called a British system. Centesimal system. This is also called a French. Circular or radian method. Okay. Sexagesimal system. Here what is the important here? One right angle equal to 90 degree. 1 degree equal to 60 minute. 1 minute equal to 60 second. Right, and in centesimal system, one right angle is 100 grade ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 1 degree equal to 100 minutes, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. And radian measure, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. It is a plane angle subtended at the center of the arc of a circle such that radius of circle equal to length of the arc. ಇಲ್ಲಿ arc AB ಏನದಲ್ಲ, that arc should be equal to radius, then that angle is called as a radian angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ, right? Conversion of degree and radian, some simple problems. 30 degree ದ radian ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ multiply by pi by 180. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ multiply by 180 by pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. Reverse. Radian is given 3 pi by 5, 3 pi by 5 into 180 by pi radian. So it is 108. Like that all the problems are given, right? This completes your trigonometry basics.